Hello YouTubers, Andrew from project-1 here. How's it going? Oh, the snow came today and went, which is great. Nice to have a taste of it. But anyway, today is an unboxing. I've been waiting for this for a while. I went to get it from Tent Wonder, but they didn't have the big one, the one they wanted, the 4x4 meter, so I had to go elsewhere, and I didn't really want to go, but I did. And here it is, they have to come in today for the weekend, doing a big one. Not camouflage either, no, but anyway. Can you see it? Ooh, look, what's in the package? What's in the package? What's in the package? I'm gonna open it today with my EDC. My EDC is the Leatherman Mute. It's designed for, I think it's really designed for the Americans. And stripping down AR-15s. I guess it was redesigned for it, but anyway. Let's see. Oh, sorry. See this sexy little webbing cutting blade there? The hammer. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, like a natural butter. Oh, what do we have here? Look at this. Look at that. Great. Got a little package. Water stuff. Oh, can you see it? Oh, another little catalog available. Oh, it's all different type of ones like. Yeah, forces, scouts, all that kind of good stuff. More hammocks, more hammocks. Tarps. More tarps, more tarps, more tarps. Anyway. That's fine. Whee! Just like that. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube using these as far as I get myself on. I don't know about using all those pegs though. I'll end up cutting ones out there when I get out there somewhere. Maybe the guidelines to see what it is. Anyway, YouTube, just a very quick video. An unboxing. Oh yeah, YouTube. I'm waiting on some ferro rods to come. I'm gonna make myself some fire scrapers. We call fire scrapers. I'm going to use maybe, if you can see it. What is that? He says. See that? That's deer antler. It was very white because it's been outside for a long time, maybe about 40 years or more. But I wanted it a bit darker, so my brother says it's made of keratin, which is the same kind of stuff your hair and nails is made of. So when the ferro rods come, they're about 4 inches long, maybe about 10 mil wide. I'll chop this up to suit and make some fire starters. Fire steels, sorry. Fire steels, that's I don't know, which thing? The white or the dark? Looks very dark. Looks like that's actually just soaked into it. Tea bags. See those tea bags? It does look kind of rotten, doesn't it? Smells a bit like tea bags. Don't bother me. You know, YouTube. You take care now. Bye. Forgot to say, YouTube. No. I got these horns. See them? I think I'll maybe using these horns as well. They're horns from Ibex or an impala or something like that lives in the savannas in Africa. You know, once the lions be chasing around places and eating the cheetahs and When I got these, same place I got those bit of acorn, or sorry, deer horn over. I don't know, it'd be a shame off to chop those up, wouldn't it? Make fire steels out of them, wouldn't it? It'd be a shame to chop them up. They're too small, really, there. Anyway, YouTube, leave your comments in the bottom. I'll get back to you. Take care. Tell me what you think. Should I use those dark horn ones? The shape chop up, they're like, I don't know, about maybe about 3 feet long. Shape chop up, isn't it? Yeah. Be scraping and nearly cut that off there. Could make a nice handle for a knife, though, wouldn't it? You know, you wouldn't ever use it for long though, but anyway, I think YouTube. Take care, see you next time.